Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Do you want salon quality hair treatment without the salon price tag? Well, let me share my hair secret with you. It's the Kristin Ess Signature Hair Gloss. My struggle has been that I have fine, porous hair that doesn't always hold color. And no matter how cool of a shade that I choose, somehow it always ends up fading to an unwanted, warm and brassy tone. I'm not a complete amateur when it comes to at-home hair treatment, but even if I were, the prep and application of this gloss are very easy to follow. You just mix the product from the 2 bottles together, you shake and apply to all of your hair. I waited about 20 minutes before rinsing so I could get the maximum color deposit, and then I just followed my normal shampoo and conditioning routine. This was my first experience with the gloss, and so far I'm really impressed with the results. The smoky topaz shade definitely helped to neutralize the brassiness of my hair, and it really boosted the overall shine. And that's my point of view.